In this energy clearing session, we drew the card Hobbies. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at what is stopping you from either doing a hobby that you used to like or finding a new one that you are ready to start. So stay tuned. Hi, it's Robin here from Vibration Elevation, and today's card is from the Magical Butterflies Oracle card deck by Doreen Virtue. And this card, Hobbies, is a reminder that there's things to do outside of our regular, our working schedule, our family life, our responsibilities, and hobbies are a great way to spend time that is enjoyable. So if you already have a hobby, maybe we will be clearing for you the, guilt or resistance to actually being able to spend the time doing what you like or doing this hobby. And if you don't, we'll be clearing any resistance or guilt, taking the time to, taking the time for yourself to do something that is basically just for your enjoyment. So let's just do the clearing and see what happens. Now, if you can think of anything, whether it's guilt or whether it's you don't think you have time or you just shouldn't be spending that time on yourself, whatever thought comes to your mind, keep that in your mind as we do the clearing, as you hear the clearing chimes, because that's what we're going to be clearing, what you have in your mind during this clearing. So here we go. All right, so that's it. Now, if you already have a hobby, go ahead and think of what you would like to do. How much time would you like to spend on this? And how would you like it to feel as you're, working at it? And if you don't, see if anything pops into your mind. Like if you could do anything, what are some of the options? And you don't have to choose today. You can just kind of let this marinate and, kind of sit in the back of your mind and give it the space and just allow it to present itself. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you so much for watching or listening. And if you want to learn more of how I do this, go over to vibrationelevation.com and there's a free training. Okay, so thanks again, and I'll see you in the next one.